So as you start working with data a little bit more, you'll come to realize that data has a life cycle. And the way we typically describe that is we use an acronym called CRUD. And so if we take a look here and spell it out, CRUD, and that stands for create, read, update, delete. So basically, every piece of data that we're interacting with has to be created at some point. It can be read, it can be retrieved and then viewed by somebody. It can be updated and changed and managed. And then lastly, it can be deleted or removed from the system as well. And developers use this acronym all the time to make sure that we're thinking through all of the possible flows and use cases and scenarios where data is involved, and that we've got a edge case and we've considered what to do in any of those different cases. And so if we come to the designs here and we kind of look around a little bit, well, actually, I've missed an update and a delete form in this views. I have no way to do that in my menu. I kind of included this drop down that sort of alludes to additional functionality, but I don't have screens for that. And so CRUD can be a really powerful tool, not just for developers, but also us as designers to think through our designs and make sure that we're including all of the different cases that we need to consider in the experience here. So now that I'm thinking about like update, okay, well, I'm gonna have to duplicate this create form here and fill in the data. And maybe there's more stuff we want to be able to do when we update. Maybe we want to have a quick unpublish button if somebody needs to hide a menu all of a sudden. Maybe we want to let people delete from here as well, and I need to include that in the experience now. So we have different ways to, in thinking through this experience, we're going to have different needs arise as we're designing. Delete, same deal. Maybe we need to add a confirmation step. We don't want somebody to accidentally delete their whole menu that they've worked really hard on. And so we add a little bit of friction into the experience. So just thinking through the life cycle of data can have really profound impacts on our design. And it's something that developers need to be considering as they are building experiences.